Moving mud. Camera stand fell over. Moved all of this dirt and loaded my trailer full of sticks. Moved all this, try and help dry it out. And I need to move my screeners. So got some of the sticks out of it, but we'll work on moving these today. But it's still super muddy. I don't know when I'll be getting back to screening, but we'll try and get set up for it. What a mess. Just fill all that water, place in for water with dirt, because every time I drive the skid steer through it, it just does that. And I eventually want to have grass back right here, so putting that topsoil right there, right here. So I'm not going to put the clay there, the red clay I have. I don't want it to go there. So doesn't affect this. So if I can just get my dirt dried out, I can start screening. So I'm not trying to get all the sticks out, just the sticks that won't fit in that will do 3 inches maybe. If it's perfectly straight, a little bit bigger than 3 inches, but I try to chip. It's a good little chipper. I bought it pretty much sight unseen, and I thought it was a lot bigger than it was by the pictures and what I had looked up online, but it's heavy duty. It's super heavy duty. We'll look at it one day. I'll do if somebody wants to see a video on it. I'll dissect it. So I'm just trying to get the big limbs like that out of it. I don't know if you can see the trailer, but that's why it's got all the little limbs in. And plus, I'm not very good at picking up the little limbs with this. Yeah, I'm still learning. We're getting there. One day, I can pick up a little bit of stuff. Let's see if I can pick up. Yeah, a little bit of stuff. But there you go. Now I'm getting there. Let's see, I got 258 hours on this thing now, and I had never operated a excavator before that. And a lot of that's probably idling for charging batteries and letting it warm up and running when I'm off doing something else. So, but I'm getting there. I'm learning. I enjoy it. Buddy, and I remember when I was a little kid, I had my dirt bike. I couldn't wait to get home from school, play on my dirt bike. I'm the same way now. I'm the same. I can't wait to get up in the morning to come play on my excavator and my skid steer. It's been a long time since I've enjoyed doing something fun, you know. I'm too old to ride dirt bikes anymore, but in a while, but I enjoy it. It's some fun. Never thought I'd enjoy moving dirt, playing in the dirt, mud, playing in the mud in Georgia red clay. I got this from clearing a lot. This was a lot that had been, the trees had been taken down by a mulching head, mulcher. You know, they come through and cleared all the trees off of it. All of this is what's left of it. And I came and got all of this with that trailer and that skid steer and brought it all over here and bought that screener to make topsoil out of it. I tried. My land is level and it's flat, but it's horrible cutting grass. The grass, there's so many holes and little animals that make holes, and I tried getting some topsoil, and that's what I bought my trailer for, get topsoil to level it out, and it don't go anywhere. I mean, a truckload of topsoil goes nowhere. It disappears and it's gone, and it does absolutely nothing. So even this, I've had almost this much dirt right here before, and screened it, composted it, mixed it with wood chips, and this is it. I mean, it all went right here, and it's right back to where it was. It just settles, and it's not smooth, but and it sucks cutting the grass on it. I want to get something where I can do 12 miles an hour while I'm cutting grass, so it don't take me forever to cut 5 acres. You know, so maybe we'll get there. I hope so. But it's fun trying to get there. But yeah, hopefully it won't be long and I can start spreading this out. I built a little spreader. Well, I'll show that one day. And but yeah, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Alright, let's go tear up something else.